All right, here with your record boy, young sensation, Kaheim Dixon. First of all, Kaheim, walk us through today's game. How are you feeling?
It was a tight game against a tough Honduras opponent, but we got a point from it, so, we got to give God thanks for it and move on to the next one.
When the starting lineups were released, were you disappointed not to start, or what were your expectations for yourself going into today's game?
My expectation was, look, once you get a chance, you take it with the two ends and go perform, trying to be the next Jamaica call-up.
You came in live wire. You brought a spark to the game. Speak to me about what was going through your mind when Coach McLaren would have called the number and said you're up.
What was going through my mind while warming up that, look, you got to come change the game for the team and put more energy in the game. And that's what I do tonight.
Evaluate your performance.
From a scale of 1 to 10, I would say my performance was like a 7. I think I need room for improvement, and that I'll fix that once I go to my club.
All right, so this window is done. What do you think you can take from this international window over next month before you come back to play for Jamaica again?
I can take like the lads in the camp. They are good, like positive mindset, strong mentality, and work as a team on and off the field, and that's what carried through the game tonight.
All right, lastly, just speak to me briefly about the experience in Europe. How has that been?
It has been good. You have tough times, you have bad times, but I'll push through with Christ.
All right, good game again, Bala.
Thank you. Yeah, man.